close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on box braid hairstyles. Now I have a few that I want to share with you guys. The thing that I love about box braids is that it's a great way of protecting your hair, and that's why it's one of the biggest, bestest protective hairstyles that there is. Now this is one of my favorite, as you can see. It's just half up, half down. It's very easy to do, and doesn't matter what look you have, it's always nice. So let's get started. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow